Gum disease, or gingivitis, is a tissue inflammation which surrounds and supports the teeth. It is a very common condition and varies widely in severity. Gum disease is mostly caused by improper oral hygiene, that allows bacteria in plaque and calculus to remain on the teeth and infect the gums. But there are some other factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal changes, mouth breathing, diabetes, etc. Symptoms can be bright red swollen gums that bleed very easily, mouth odor, plaques on the gums that look like they're pulling away from the teeth. But, to get relief, you don't have to opt for expensive treatments right away. In this video, we will share 4 effective home remedies to treat gum disease naturally, and prevent further complications. Let's have a look and don't forget to subscribe. How to treat receding gums at home. Sea salt. The minerals present in sea salt help reduce inflammation and also cure pain and infection. Simply dissolve a small quantity of sea salt in a cup of warm water, and rinse your mouth. Do this several times a day. Aloe vera. Aloe vera can be very much helpful in treating gum disease. Its antimicrobial properties kill the bacteria that cause gum disease, helps in curing bad breath, and heals mouth ulcers. Apply 100% pure aloe vera to your gums before going to bed. Spread it all over your gums and allow it to stay in your mouth to boost the healing process. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a bacterial agent that is very strong in nature. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Rinse your mouth once a day with the solution for a few seconds, and then spit it out. Remember, do not use it more than once a day. Use it until you are satisfied with the results. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated and repair inflamed gums. Just add a few drops of tea tree oil to your toothpaste, and brush twice a day. This should be done for several weeks. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it for your healthy lifestyle collection. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.